kababayan, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Malalag, Davao del Sur, isa sa pinakamayamang lugar dito sa Davao del Sur because of its natural resources.
Davao del Sur was ironically founded by its Japanese colonizers in 1942. But it didn't take long before the Davao guerrillas helped free it from its captors. With the help of the Americans, who then assumed the rule of the land. Language is Cebuano or Bisayan, with a great majority alternating Tagalog with ease. English is widely accepted as the language of commerce and instruction.
Mga kapamilya, ang kasalukuyang mayor ng Davao del Sur ay walang iba kundi si Attorney Ruel Paras, kung saan pinanunukala niya ang mga talento ng Davaoenyo dito sa Davao del Sur at karamihan sa mga produktong na ihahintulad natin sa mga international export products. At narito niya ang mga produktong gaya nito. Ipinagmamalaki ng Davao del Sur ang mga produktong yaman ng kanilang kultura at kung saan makikita natin at mararamdaman ang kasalukuyang pag-unlad nito.
Davao del Sur, Mindanao Island, one of the great things about roaming this peaceful province is what, wherever you go, you're just a few minutes away from the beach. It is blessed with the blue seas. It is a land embraced by a lush vegetation to the west and the clear Davao Gulf to the east. Those skyscraper tall coconut trees are an amazing reminder of the past. How come? Many of them were planted by the Japanese army during their occupation 6 to 7 decades ago. Not a lot has changed.
Ang Davao del Sur ay mayaman sa iba't ibang klaseng produkto. Nariyan ang mga banana plantation, nariyan ang coconut plantation at isa rin sa kanilang produkto dito sa Davao del Sur ay ang
Davao del Sur, Philippines. According to the 2010 census, it has a population of 119,334 people and 26,069 households. Malalag is strategically located in the heart of Davao del Sur. Malalag is an agricultural center of Davao del Sur. Its main products are banana, coconut, and other fruit and vegetables. Malalag is also fishing center of Davao del Sur. Many fish cages are lying in Malalag Bay. Malalag is also wealth and mining industry. Because of this, the municipality of Malalag will soon to be a city in year 2016.
Nagpapasalamat po akong napakarami sa inyong lahat, sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta at nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat ng tao na naninirahan sa Davao del Sur sa kanilang masarap na pagtanggap sa amin. Ako po muli si Ricky Baltolore at nagsasabing pagyamanin natin ang kalikasan tungo sa kauunlad nito. Maraming salamat po.